We start everything here in the prep shop, so we run all the raw plate through, plate wheelabrator goes into the shop. We then cut the parts with our plasma machines. If there's any bending that needs to be done, we take it to our press brake, we bend all the parts and start shipping everything from there down through the line so it can be assembled. We get busy with a lot of plate orders and trying to keep up with all the production we have going on in the shop. Typically come in the afternoon, we get together with the previous supervisor and get ourselves a game plan for what we need to get accomplished for the shift and for shifts coming up afterwards. Get with the guys, talk them through what we have going on and get everybody working in their separate departments where they're going to be at for the day. We have 5 plasma tables, 3 plasma machines. Those will cut anywhere from 1/4 inch up to 2-inch thick steel. Our press brake that we have, it's 40 foot, so we can use a 20-foot side of it or we can use all 40 foot. In the prep, we're a lot more versatile to move guys around because it is such a big shop. There are so many machines that guys can train up and move around on, so they're not really stuck just on one position. For us, it's always a new challenge to come into every day, knowing that we have different goals every day we need to meet. And a lot of the guys like the versatility to be able to roam around and do different equipment every day, keep their skills sharpened up. With Heartland, they constantly upgrade equipment. They constantly, buy new stuff that's advanced in technology that helps us better do our jobs. When you see what we do starting in the prep shop and then working it down through the plant to see the finished product, it's just amazing what we do to start to finish. See that actually go hit the river and know that it's, American made and it's going off and it's going to be used for Americans.